Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. By hand, remove the two plastic clips that hold the casing of the glove box, then remove it. Pinch the two tabs on the cover and pull on it. To remove the cabin filter, unplug the two electric connectors on the fuse box by lifting the locking levers. Then, pull on the cabin filter to take it out. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take hold of the cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Replace the flange. Plug the connectors back in. Put the casing back on the glove box. Then, put the clips back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.